Highway surveyors play a crucial role in the development and maintenance of road infrastructure. In Gurgaon, a rapidly growing city in India, the demand for efficient highway surveyors is on the rise. These professionals are responsible for conducting detailed surveys and assessments of existing highways, as well as designing new road networks to accommodate the increasing traffic. With their expertise in surveying techniques and knowledge of the local regulations, highway surveyors in Gurgaon ensure that the road projects are executed effectively and in accordance with the safety standards. One of the key aspects of highway surveying in Gurgaon is the design of the road infrastructure. SCON Design is a prominent company that specializes in providing comprehensive design solutions for highways in Gurgaon. With their team of experienced engineers and designers, SCON Design offers innovative and sustainable design solutions that meet the specific requirements of each project. Their expertise encompasses all aspects of highway design, including alignment, cross-section, pavement design, and drainage systems. Highway surveyors in Gurgaon work closely with SCON Design to ensure that the road projects are planned and executed seamlessly. They conduct detailed surveys of the existing road network to identify areas that require improvement or expansion. By analyzing traffic patterns and studying the topography of the area, highway surveyors help SCON Design in developing road designs that optimize traffic flow and enhance safety. Furthermore, highway surveyors also play a crucial role in ensuring that the construction of highways in Gurgaon adheres to the specified standards and guidelines. They monitor the progress of construction activities, conduct quality checks, and verify compliance with safety regulations. When it comes to building and maintaining roads, highway surveyors are indispensable. The need for competent highway surveyors is expanding in the Indian city of Gurgaon. These experts are needed to undertake thorough surveys and evaluations of current roadways, as well as to build new road networks to accommodate the growing volume of traffic. Highway surveyors in Gurgaon make sure road projects are carried out efficiently and safely by applying their knowledge of surveying techniques and of local legislation. The layout of roads is an important part of highway surveying in Gurgaon. When it comes to highway design in the Gurgaon area, nobody does it better than SCON Design. SCON Design's team of skilled engineers and designers creates sustainable, cutting-edge designs tailored to each client's needs. Highway alignment, cross-section, pavement design, and drainage systems are only some of their specialties. The road projects in Gurgaon are meticulously designed and implemented with the help of the highway surveyors who work closely with SCON Design. In order to determine which sections of the current road system are in need of repair or extension, they perform comprehensive surveys of the entire system. Highway surveyors assist SCON Design in creating safe and efficient road layouts by assessing traffic patterns and studying the surrounding geography. In addition, highway surveyors are essential in making sure that highways in Gurgaon are built in